So in this section, you're going to learn how to create your ebook cover photo. You have to go to Canva. Okay, go to Canva and open it. You can download it on Google Play Store if you don't have it yet. Right, so when you open your Canva, the first thing you will do is to search for ebook template. Search for ebooks. Okay, so that you will get an easier template you will use for your ebook cover photo. You can see different ebook templates. You can choose anyone you like, any of them you like. So for instance, let me just use one. Let me select anyone that I like. Let me select this black one. So when you open, it will look like this. You have to start to edit everything. For instance, this stop thinking negative, I have to edit it and add my own text. So you can also add the image of whatever your own topic or your own ebook name is all about. For instance, my own is how to make soup at home. I have to add soup. If you're talking about how to make money, you have to also add money or whatever is in your own. So I have to go to my gallery and search for soup because I have downloaded it already. For instance, let me add this soup. I can make it so bold. Then I can also edit this as well. I can edit it to something like learn how to make soup from the comfort of your home. Comfort of your home. Then you can see it's not clear. I have to change it to yellow so that it will be very bold. Anybody can see it. Yellow is now clear. Then what else will I do? I have to add my name. Okay, let me add my name. So I have to add my name, then I have to drag it and in the middle. Okay, so now this is how my ebooks will look like. If I don't like this black color, I can easily change it with something else or another color. For instance, let me select another color. You can easily change color if you like. Anyone. I believe this one is good. Let me use this one. Then change this to black so that it will be bold. Okay, so this is how my ebook cover photo will look like. How to make soup at home. Then below I write how to learn how to make soup from the comfort of your home. Okay, before you export anything, cross check it to avoid mistake. Okay, cross check it to avoid mistake. Learn how to make soup from the comfort of your home with these affordable ingredients you won't regret getting this ebook. So let me just add a few things. You can see how it looks like. So let me also drag this below. So now I believe it's good. Okay, how to make soap at home. Then I add a soap image. Then now learn how to make soap from the comfort of your home with these affordable ingredients. You won't regret getting this ebook. Okay, so after editing everything like this, you now click export so that you will download this and see it in your gallery. So you can see preparing your design. After that, I will see everything in my gallery. Okay, so this is how to make your ebook cover photo using Canva. It's so simple. So let's just wait for it to export. So now that you have learned how to edit your ebook cover photos from scratch, see you in next section where you're going to see the best platforms to list this your ebook to receive payments worldwide. If you still have any question, please try your best to drop in the comment section, or you ask that in our community for mentorship and every other thing.